Choosing the right laptop is crucial for engineering students in 2025, where performance, durability, and efficiency matter most. In this video, we unveil the top 5 best laptops tailored for engineering needs. Stay till the end to discover the ultimate choice that perfectly balances power, portability, and affordability. I always make video top 5 product. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Let's start to the video. Number 5. The Lenovo Gen 12 ThinkPad X1 Carbon is here to impress. Packed with cutting-edge specs and premium features, this laptop is built for speed, security, and efficiency. Stay tuned to see why it's a game-changer. 1. Ultra-powerful Intel Ultra 7165 UV Pro processor. Experience blazing fast performance with the Intel Ultra 7165 UV Pro processor. Designed for professionals, this CPU delivers seamless multitasking, faster processing speeds, and superior power efficiency. Whether handling complex engineering software or business tasks, this laptop keeps up without breaking a sweat. 2. Stunning 14-inch Wuxka 100% sRGB touchscreen. Enjoy crystal-clear visuals with the 14-inch Wuxka touchscreen. Its 100% sRGB color accuracy ensures vibrant images, while touch functionality adds intuitive control. Whether you're designing, coding, or streaming, this display enhances every experience with razor-sharp clarity. 3. Massive 32GB 6400 MHz RAM for seamless multitasking. Say goodbye to lag. With 32 GB of ultra-fast 6400 MHz RAM, you can effortlessly switch between multiple applications. Running engineering simulations, video editing, or programming? This laptop ensures flawless performance, making your workflow smoother than ever. 4. Lightning-fast 1TB Gen 4 Performance SSD. Speed is everything. The 1TB Gen 4 Performance SSD guarantees instant bootups, rapid file transfers, and quick application launches. Whether storing large CAD files or essential documents, you'll never run out of high-speed storage space. 5. Enhanced security and Windows 11 Pro. Security meets convenience with Windows 11 Pro, an FHD plus IR plus RGB camera, and robust security features. Face recognition unlocks your laptop instantly, while enterprise-grade security keeps your data protected, ideal for students and professionals alike. Conclusion. The Lenovo Gen 12 ThinkPad X1 Carbon is a powerhouse of performance, security, and premium features. If you need a laptop that can handle demanding tasks effortless. Number 4. The ASUS 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14, a gaming beast in a sleek, ultra-portable design. With insane performance, stunning visuals, and top-tier features, this laptop is built to dominate. Stay tuned to see why it's a must-have. 1. AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS, a powerhouse processor. Prepare to be amazed by the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS, delivering mind-blowing speed and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this high-performance chip ensures lightning-fast response times, keeping you ahead in every battle. 2. RTX 4060 8GB, next-level graphics. Experience immersive gaming with the RTX 4060 8GB GPU. With real-time ray tracing and AI-powered DLSS, this laptop delivers stunning visuals and ultra-smooth gameplay. Whether playing AAA titles or creating content, expect breathtaking performance without compromise. 3. 14-inch OLED 120Hz QHD display, pure visual bliss. The OLED QHD 120Hz display is a visual masterpiece. Enjoy deep blacks, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth motion. With fast refresh rates, every frame feels buttery smooth, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. 4. 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB SSD, speed and storage. Say goodbye to lag. With 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, expect seamless multitasking and ultra-fast load times. The 1TB SSD ensures quick boot-ups and ample storage for all your games, projects, and media. 5. Premium features and connectivity. From an RGB backlit keyboard to Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, this laptop is loaded with cutting-edge tech. Plus, the microSD slot and DKZ hub add extra convenience, making it a dream machine for gamers and creators alike. Conclusion. The ASUS 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14 is a gaming powerhouse in a sleek, compact design. With top-tier specs and jaw-dropping visuals, it's perfect for gamers, streamers, and professionals. Ready to level up? Check the link below and grab yours today. Number 3. The Dell 2024 XPS 159530, a machine designed for professionals who demand speed, efficiency, and stunning visuals. With its cutting-edge specs and premium build, this laptop is set to redefine productivity. Let's dive in. 1. Intel 13th Gen 10 Core i7, unmatched power. At the heart of this beast is the Intel 13th Gen 10 Core i7-13620H processor, delivering lightning-fast performance. Whether you're handling intensive tasks, video editing, or multitasking, this CPU ensures a seamless experience without slowdowns. 2. 15.6-inch FHD Plus display, crystal-clear visuals. Work and play in stunning clarity with the 15.6-inch FHD Plus display. Offering sharp details and vibrant colors, this screen is perfect for content creation, presentations, and entertainment, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. 3. 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD, blazing fast performance. Speed matters. With 32GB DDR5 RAM, you get smooth multitasking, and the 1TB SSD ensures fast boot-ups and ample storage for all your projects. Say goodbye to lag and slow load times. For Arc Graphics A370M, smooth and stunning visuals. The Intel Arc A370M GPU brings impressive graphics power to the table. Whether you're working on graphic design, video editing, or light gaming, this laptop delivers fluid performance and stunning visuals. 5. Premium build and advanced connectivity. The sleek, durable design of the XPS 15 makes it perfect for business professionals. With Wi-Fi 6, a backlit keyboard, and Windows 11 Pro, you get top-tier security, seamless connectivity, and a premium typing experience. Conclusion. The Dell 2024 XPS 159530 is the ultimate business laptop, offering power, elegance, and top-notch performance. If you're looking for a high-performance machine that delivers efficiency and style, this is the one. Number 2. The M4 Max chip, a stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Number 1. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED is a game-changer. With a stunning OLED display, powerful Intel i7 processor, and RTX 3060 graphics, this laptop is built for creators. Let's dive in. 1. 16-inch 4K OLED display, absolute brilliance. The 16-inch 3840 by 2400 OLED display delivers breathtaking visuals with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high contrast. Whether you're a video editor, photographer, or designer, this screen provides true-to-life accuracy, making your projects look stunningly real. 2. Intel Core i7-12700H, blazing performance. With the Intel Core i7-12700H, multitasking becomes effortless. This powerful 14-core processor ensures smooth rendering, fast processing, and seamless workflow, whether you're handling 4K video editing, 3D modeling, or heavy software. 3. RTX 3060 graphics, power for creators. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 is a dream for creative professionals. It accelerates rendering, enhances visual effects, and boosts AI-powered tasks, ensuring lag-free performance for demanding projects. 4. 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD, speed and storage. With 32GB DDR5 RAM, experience lightning-fast multitasking. The 1TB PCI SSD provides ample space and ensures quick access to files, letting you focus on creativity without slowdowns. 5. Premium build and Windows 11 Home. The star black finish gives this laptop a sleek, professional look. Preloaded with Windows 11 Home, you get enhanced security, productivity, and a smooth user experience. Conclusion. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED is the ultimate creative workstation. If you want power, precision, and an immersive display, this laptop is for you. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.